Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can use Kahoot in Pencil Spaces. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create and start your Kahoot quiz the way you normally would. So I have a Kahoot browser already open with my quiz ready. As you can see here, I have a beginner math quiz ready to start. So I'm just going to select Start. Before starting my quiz, I'm going to quickly navigate to the left-hand side, and I'm going to ensure that Show Questions and Answers is turned on. I'm then going to select Classic Mode and start my quiz. Once the quiz is loaded, I'm going to click on the Game pin to copy the joining link. I'm then going to navigate back to Pencil Spaces, and on the left-hand side of my screen, I'm going to select iframe. You will then receive this pop-up where you can paste the joining link that we just copied. So I'm going to select Command V on my keyboard to paste the link. I'm going to then click Add to iframe. And you will now have an iframe in your space. So you can ask your students to follow along using the on-screen instructions. So to test this out, I'm going to click on the iframe and follow the instructions. So I'm going to add a nickname. I'm going to select Go. And now if I go back to my Kahoot tab, I can see that I'm currently in the Kahoot lobby. And now I can continue doing my Kahoot like I normally would. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.